In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email into Getresponse. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing email list into your Getresponse account safely and correctly. First, start by logging into your Getresponse dashboard. Once you're in, look along the top menu and click on Contacts. This is where all of your subscribers and lists are managed. From there, select Add Contacts. This tells Getresponse that you want to bring new people into one of your lists, rather than creating them one by one. Next, you'll be asked how you want to add these contacts. You'll see different options, but the main two we're focusing on are upload a file and paste from file. If your list is in a CSV, TXT, or Excel spreadsheet, upload a file is the best and cleanest option. Paste from file is more useful if you just have raw text or a smaller list you want to quickly paste in. In most cases, especially with larger or regularly exported lists, stick with uploading a file. Now, before you actually attach your file, you need to decide where these contacts are going. Look for the drop-down that lets you choose your target list. This is the email list inside Getresponse, where all these imported contacts will be added. Take a second here to make sure you're choosing the correct list, especially if you manage multiple audiences, such as customers, leads, or newsletter subscribers. Picking the right list keeps your segmentation and automation organized. Once your target list is selected, it's time to attach your file. You can either drag and drop your CSV, TXT, or .xlsx file into the upload area, or click to browse and select it from your computer. Before you upload, it's a good idea to quickly open your file and check that the first row has clear headings like email, first name, last name, and so on. This will make the next step much easier. After the file is uploaded, Getresponse will show you a mapping screen. Here, you match each column from your file to the correct field in Getresponse. For example, make sure the column with email addresses is mapped to the email field and the column with first names goes to the first name field. If you have extra data, like city or source, you can map those to existing custom fields or create new ones. Taking your time here ensures that your contact's details are stored correctly, which will help you personalize emails later. When everything looks right, click Import to proceed. Before Getresponse actually starts the import, you'll see a confirmation about permissions. This is where you need to check the box confirming that you have permission to email these people. This means they've opted in or otherwise legally agreed to receive emails from you. This step is crucial for complying with anti-spam laws and keeping your sender reputation healthy. Once you've confirmed that, click Finish. Getresponse will begin importing your contacts, and depending on the size of your file, this might take a little time. After it's done, your new subscribers will appear in the list you selected, ready for your next